Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gerline. I create motivational, inspirational lifestyle content for other mom bosses just like me. So we are in our Canva business series, and today is lesson 2 on how to organize your content. If you're tuning in for the first time, I get straight to the point. I create these lessons in under 5 minutes just so that you're able to learn quickly and move on to the important things that you have. So, how to organize your content. The first thing you'll have to do is you have to create a template for each of the type of posts you would like to have on your page. And here are some examples of what I mean. Alright, so here in my Canva recent designs, you'll see my daily affirmations template. I have a YouTube thumbnail for my new Canva series. For the first quarter of the year, I created a Bible verse devotional Instagram post template. You also see my new Canva series IG template as well. So as you guys can see, you need to be able to create a different template for the different types of posts you would like to create. Some of the template examples are product photos, infographics, reels, quotes, client testimonials, memes, motivationals, carousels, guides, and frequently asked questions. These are just some examples of the different types of templates that you can create in Canva. Now that you have written down the different types of templates you would like to create, now you're going to create different templates for this specific type of post. An example would be for quotes. If there's a certain template or different types of templates you would like to have for your quotes, you might have a motivational quote, you might have like a funny quote. So whatever type of quote that you want to have, you can create a specific template for that type of post. Now that you have created your template, an important step is to rename the template. Okay? Please rename the template because it will save you so much time and energy, because depending on how many files you have saved in your Canva account, sometimes your post can get lost. You might have created a post template and you can't find it. It has happened to me before, and trust me, you don't want to be in that situation. Go ahead and rename the template so that anytime you need to reference it or go back to it, now that you have created your template, it's time for the fun part. It's now time for you to batch create content, okay? So that's one of the things that many of my mom bosses out here struggle with, is being able to create batch content. Why? Because they're trying to create a template. By organizing your content in this phase, in this moment, it will eliminate you having to spend time trying to find out what exactly you want to create. So by doing this, you can batch content with ease, okay? And that's it for lesson 2. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this was helpful to you, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at the Diva Shop. And don't forget to shop some of my awesome resources, our gratitude journals, our Boss Babe business binder worksheets, and also our affirmations deck. We have our 31 days of affirmations. Don't forget to check it out and use our discount code that's in the description box below to save some money off of your next purchase. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.